So convincing my family was harder than booking flight for this trip, but somehow I did it. Hi, I'm Chetna, a dentist who chose Sunset Sumo clinics. So my journey started at Delhi airport and I booked a non-stop flight to Phuket that costed me around 16K and I landed there in the morning. और पता है ऑनेस्टली मैं एयरपोर्ट पे ही इतनी खुश हो रही थी मतलब आई वाज क्लिकिंग वीडियोस क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स बिकॉज इट वाज माय फर्स्ट सोलो ट्रिप और मैं इतनी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड थी तो पहला thought that I had as soon as I landed Phuket was कि this is actually happening and it's not my dream anymore. तो फुकेट एयरपोर्ट लैंड होते ही मैं निकल गई अपने हॉस्टल में चेक इन करने दैट वाज लवली फुकेट एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट वाज अ हॉस्टल बट इट एक्चुअली फेल्ट लाइक अ 5 star thing. It had literally everything. Or as soon as I entered my room, I met this girl from India. तो वो थोड़ा मतलब इजी हो गया कि ओके आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन. तो वहां से वी बोथ वेंट टू 7-Eleven एंड देन वी बॉट अ सेम. मुझे एक स्मूदी शॉप दिखी एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू यू हैव टू हैव व्हेन यू आर साउथ ईस्ट एशिया इज अ स्मूदी बोल और अ स्मूदी शेक. लाइक दे जस्ट hit you so different. The smoothies are just so good in Thailand, Vietnam, Bali, and I don't know how, like, foods, they are really good. So we went together to this place called Cafe Viewpoint in the evening, and the sunset was insane. Honestly, the food was okayish, but the views were so good, and I clicked so many pictures, like you can see here. And वहां से आने के बाद nearby to a hostel there was Bangla Street, so I did go there, like मतलब बाहर से ही देखा बट द वाइब्स वाज सो ऑफुल एंड सो बैड कि मतलब मैं तो नहीं जा पाई अंदर. बट इफ यू आर इन अ ग्रुप आई वुड से कि आपको अगर इफ यू लाइक टू पार्टी देन प्रोबब्ली यू कैन गो बट आई एम नॉट दैट late night party person, so I was not comfortable going there. Next day I got rock beach swing. मैंने बहुत सारी pictures देखी थी Instagram में यहाँ पे लोगों की, and I'm telling you this place is so good for these pictures. If you guys have seen the Bali swing, तो you can say like उसका थोड़ा similar version है, but it has so many swings and the view is so good. So I would suggest you can go. If you are into Instagrammable things for pictures and all, you can definitely go for it. And the cost was somewhere around 1200, I guess. Yeah. और उससे थोड़ा ही आगे एक कैफे था. It was called Samor Day and the ocean view, I tell you, it is one of the best cafes I've ever been in Thailand. 1000% my recommendation. You should must visit to this place. And the prices are like mid range. Around one meal can cost you 700 or 800 rupees. While I went back to the hostel, grabbed something from 7-Eleven and slept early because the real adventure was waiting for the next day. So next morning, I had booked this journey from Twelgo Asia and I took a cab to Longprea office. So jahan se I got into a bus and it was a 5 hour journey to Surat Thani Fort. And from there, I took a ferry to Koh Samui, which was around 1.5 hours. So all this combined can go up to like 8 hours and it costed me around 2900 something. It's an extremely long journey, but it is so worth. The reason people skip Koh Samui is because it is so far. But I was really adamant that I'm not going to miss Koh Samui, so I went there. But it is up to you. Let's see. I won't deny that it is not exhausting. It is really exhausting, but honestly, the Koh Samui is totally worth it. And by the way, I stayed at the same hostel, Lovely in Samui, which is right in front of the Chawang beach and hands down the best hostel I've ever seen. It has this huge pool, games, and the ocean view. Oh my god, it was so good. That night I was like dead tired, so I just grabbed a meal and walked out for just a beach walk and slept. So the next day I booked a grab and went straight to this temple of Great Buddha and bought play lame and it was so serene and beautiful. I'll attach the pictures over here and trust me, if you go to Koh Samui, please do not miss it. It's really, really beautiful. Then I had some random shopping at Samui Mall in the evening. And before that, yes, I even went to Chawang Beach for the sunset. And it was not so good because it was like raining that day, but the beach is beautiful. And the market for Samui is exactly what you should not buy from because it is super expensive. And then after that I went for some random shopping at Savoy Mall. सब कुछ super expensive था, but window shopping के लिए it is okay. But you might find cheaper things in Krabi and Bangkok. So better not waste your money in Koh Samui. So next day I was this close to leaving for Krabi, but then I thought that Angthong Marine National Park रह जाएगा. So I just went for it. And guys, best decision ever. Pure day trip tha. And I did snorkeling. I saw so many lagoons. Did that crazy, insane hike to the marine park for such a beautiful view. तो यार इस पर मैं एक पूरी वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ पक्का, but it was one of the best experiences of my trip. So I booked the trip to Angthong Marine National Park through Klook. It was probably around 2000 or something, if I'm not wrong. But it is absolutely insane. Like the hike is a bit exhausting, but it is definitely worth the view. It is not one of the most difficult hikes. You can do it easily, but the view is really nice. And if you have been to Vietnam, then you must have seen Ha Long Bay. It is a bit similar to that, not exactly, but yeah, if you want, you can go for it. I would recommend at least keep 2 to 3 days in Koh Samui, except the day that you are traveling, because that will go entirely in your travel. It takes at least 9 hours to reach Koh Samui hotel, whatsoever hotel are you staying in. Because even Phuket to Koh Samui and Krabi to Koh Samui is an extremely long journey. So be prepared that you are going to travel a lot and it will be exhausting for the day. But Koh Samui is beautiful, and if you want, you can even go to Koh Tao or also visit Koh Phangan. It is a party island. I did not go there because I did not have anyone to party with. But if you are visiting Koh Samui, definitely go for Koh Phangan. So this was it for my part one of Thailand. I'll continue the series with Krabi and Bangkok. If you like it, please like my channel.